living room and kitchen issues. Lyle and Amy are in the middle of their annual household cleaning.
Huh. That's strange. The vacuum won't start. It was working fine in the other room though, so I think the outlet behind the sofa isn't working.
Really? Let me check it with this lamp. Yep, no power. I'll add that to our repair list.
Yeah. We don't use this outlet very often, but we should still get it fixed.
Hey, the sink is draining really slowly. It looks like it's clogged.
Uh-oh. Another item for the repair list then.
That's one thing about a thorough cleaning. It can help reveal various little problems.
Yeah. Dust and dirt aren't the only things we're discovering today.
Exactly. Who knew our annual cleaning would double as a home inspection?
Well, at least we can get a lot of repairs done all at once.
Bedroom and bathroom problems. After finishing in the kitchen, they head to the bedroom. Lyle flips the light switch, but nothing happens.
What the? Unbelievable. It looks like this light switch is broken now too.
No way. Let me check it with a new bulb.
Well, I think that settles it. Let's put it on the list.
When it rains, it pours, huh?
Speaking of pouring, look here. This faucet is leaking again.
Oh yeah, I thought I heard it dripping last night. That should definitely go on the list too then.
This is getting kind of ridiculous. We started the day just planning to do some dusting and scrubbing, but now we've got a bunch of repairs to deal with too.
Well, on the bright side, the house will be better for it once we're done.
That's true. Who knew a little cleaning could be so productive?
Yeah, it feels good to check more than just the cleaning off our list.